Hello, I am Jackson Ezell, and this is my project over the cell cycle. And without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and start. And click on Present. Here we are. Cell cycle. And first we'll say, why do cells need to divide? Well, that's because the cell's membrane will eventually get too small for the growing cell after the DNA is copied. And when they split, each cell that divided will have a complete copy of the DNA. This explains why a cell doesn't just get larger and larger. What exactly is interphase? Well, interphase is the process that happens before mitosis, where cells grow and carry out normal cell processes. In this process, DNA replicates nucleolus. This is all to prepare for the process of mitosis, which occurs directly after interphase. This is all part of the cell cycle. Right here is my interphase drawing on the left with real picture. Now prophase. Prophase is just preparing the cell for nuclear fission by breaking down the nucleon envelope. It is the first true phase in mitosis. First, the chromosomes condense, and then the mitotic spindle is formed, to which the centrioles move to the opposite sides of the cell. This is my prophase drawing with real picture on the right. Pretty sure you can tell which one's which. Metaphase. The sister chromatids are pulled by motor proteins along the spindle apparatus around the center of the cell. This is the second stage of mitosis. Also, chromosomes attach a spindle apparatus and align along the equator of the cell, the middle, basically. They align perfectly in the middle. Metaphase drawing with real picture. Drawing on the left, picture on the right. Anaphase. This is the third in mitosis. Chromosomes are split, and the cell is nearly separating. And the sister chromatids are split, and they move to the opposite poles of the cell. That's each side of the cell, basically. Here's my drawing with real picture, of course. Telophase is the final phase before the cell divides into cytokinesis. And during telophase, cell chromatids and chromosomes move to the complete opposite sides of the cell. The cell is just about to separate, but not quite. Here it is. On the left is a drawing, on the right is a real picture. Again. In cytokinesis, this is when the cell finally fully divides. And when the parent cell divides into two daughter cells, they both carry a copy of the DNA from the original parental cell. This is my real drawing on the left with my real picture on the right. As you can see, they've split. And how much time does a cell spend in each of these stages? Well, for 80 to 90% of its life, it spends most of that, or all of that, in interphase. It spends about 15 minutes in prophase, 20 minutes in metaphase, but only 3 in anaphase, and it spends 20 minutes in telophase and cytokinesis. Here's my percentage pie chart on the bottom right. As you can see, that's about correct for what I've said. These are all my citations, and thank you for watching. Oops. Okay.